Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I want to thank all of you guys who are watching this video right now because it shows that you did not leave me in 2017. 2017 as far as uploading just kind of went left for me because I really wasn't sticking to my goal of reaching 100,000 subscribers. It was just a lot of stuff going on, but this year I'm back and I'm better. This is my first video and my first makeup tutorial of the year. As you can see, my whole little setup, even though it's the same background, the quality looks a lot better. So wow, the government is spying on me from my phone. Anyways, I'm very happy to be presenting you guys with this tutorial because I just kind of fell out of the loop of what it feels like to record videos and to post them. So I hope you guys really do enjoy this tutorial. All products that I use in this video will be listed in the description box below, as well as the hair that I am wearing in this video as well. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Hey guys, so we're starting off using Aveeno's Daily Moisturizer and Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Primer. I use both of these together to prime my face before applying my makeup. So yeah, now I'm using my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, and I'm just using the dark brown shade, and that's what I use to fill in my eyebrows. As you can see, I'm just using a regular angled brush to fill in my brows, nothing too special. I normally fill or line the top part of my eyebrow and then the bottom before I actually fill in my brows. Now I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee to clean up my eyebrows. And I like to use a flat top stiff concealer brush to give myself the cleanest, sharpest lines. And in real life, it takes me about 10 minutes and 50 seconds for me to do both of my eyebrows. And now filling or concealing the top part of your eyebrows is definitely optional, but I just like how much cleaner my eyebrows look when I fill the top, or actually conceal the top of my eyebrows. I don't know why I keep saying fill. But if you do decide to conceal the top part of your eyebrows, make sure the concealer that you use is definitely close to your skin tone and not any more than one shade lighter than your skin tone, because you don't want halo eyebrows and you don't want your eyebrows to look like they're about to flap away off of your face. It's not cute. Okay, so now I'm using that same Toffee concealer and I'm just using it as a base for my eyeshadow. So I'm just blending that in. Now I'm going to use my Sacha Buttercup powder to set my base. It's just going to make sure that the eyeshadows I use are going to be a lot more smoother when I apply them with my brush. Now I'm using a Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and I love Juvia's Place palettes. They're really pigmented and they're beautiful and inexpensive. So the color I'm going to use is that fuchsia color because it is very pretty and it matches my little windbreaker that I'm wearing, which was the goal. So I'm just taking this blending brush I bought from ColourPop Cosmetics, and as you can see, I'm just swiping that color all over my lid. And it looks a little bit messy, but next we're going to go into the Morphe 35C palette as pictured here, and I'm going to use that salmon color to blend out the top part of where I put the eyeshadow, just to blend it out and make it look a little less harsh. And then I'm using a regular shader brush to reapply the fuchsia color just to make it a little more intense. Now I'm using some white eyeliner from LA Colors. I got this from my beauty supply store. Now I'm using my lashes from Elle Winks. These are my Lex lashes and I love them so much. I didn't show myself applying them, but now I'm about to use a mixture of Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup and sandalwood, and then my matte and poreless foundation by Maybelline and Toffee. I mixed these two together because the Estee Lauder, even though It is an amazing foundation and it gives very great coverage. It is just way too red for me and too dark. And actually on its own, it's actually very kind of drying. I know it's mattifying, but it's just kind of too drying for me. So I mix it with the Toffee foundation from Maybelline and I get my perfect shade. And literally the finish is to die for, because as you can see, look at my skin. It's beautiful and it just looks very natural and more so like my skin tone. So next I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm just using that under my eyes, my chin, above my lip. I want to put on my nose and on my forehead, and I'm going to blend that out with my beauty blender. And make sure you blend it very, very, very nicely. And you want to use a concealer that is not too far from your natural skin tone. You don't want to be a little too dramatic, even though that may be the look you're going for. You want to make sure that it blends seamlessly into your foundation. Now I'm using my Sacha Buttercup powder to set all of my highlighted areas. I love Sacha Buttercup powder. Like, yeah, I just love it. Now I am contouring my face using this angled brush from BH Cosmetics, and I am using I'm using the Black Radiance contour palette. You guys can find it at CVS. It is a very awesome and it's very inexpensive and it works beautifully for women of color. Now I'm going back into the Juvia's Place palette with that same fuchsia color, and I'm using it under my lash line. I want to make it very intense. Now I'm just brushing away all of that excess setting powder. I want to make sure you do that very well. Now I'm using some Avon mascara. My grandma sells Avon, so I'm not sure they sell it in actual stores. She just has it on hand. So I'm just using that mascara. You can use any mascara you want. Now I'm using this ColourPop iridescent highlighter. I forgot the name of this one, but I will leave it in the description box below. But it's a purple iridescent highlighter, which is very pretty. Now I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold for my highlight. And you can see right there, it is thebomb.com. And I'm using a Royal and Lang Nickel highlight in Glow Brush. And I'm using that same highlight, putting it on my brow bone. And I was on the phone with my boyfriend, that's why you see my mouth move so much. And the earrings that I'm wearing are actually clip-on earrings from my beauty supply store, but they actually hurt like hell, and I probably have like a few scars after wearing them. But now I'm lining my lips with some brown lip liner from the beauty supply store. Nothing special, just brown lip liner. You can use Chestnut from MAC. And then I'm using Joey's lip topper in the color Cherish. Very pretty pink color. And next I am using this glittery sparkly lip gloss from my friend's makeup line, Bad Girl Glow. Hey Maggie. And now I'm just wand curling my hair. This is my K's Fab hair. You guys have seen my review on it. I hope so, at least. I will leave that review down below in the description box. But as you can see, I'm just wand curling it just to give myself some nice beautiful waves to complete the look. And this, you guys, is the final product. I absolutely love this look. I love how it came out. I love how everything just came together. I have a very nice 90s feel with this look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Ask me any questions. Make sure you check the description box. Something that you might ask may be answered by just simply reading it. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.